Hi guys, welcome to Binay's classes. Today we are going to learn trigonometrical angles by using the fingertips method formula, and this formula especially meant for 10th CBSE as well as ICSE students. So let us start. What is the fingertips formula? So let me start with my fingers. You take your left hand fingers, all these fingers you can, means I am drawing here my finger, left hand finger. So then we'll calculate. So this is my left hand finger, this is thumb. We take thumb, finger number we have to add first, 0, finger number 0, finger number 1, finger number 2, finger number 3 and finger number 4. And here if you add degrees here, this thumb is 0 degree. Then comes 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. Why I am writing this 0, 30, 45, 60, 90? This is from this thumb side upward. It will be calculated only for sine measurement, angle measurement of sine. That is sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. And from opposite side, that from a small finger, we will calculate cos. But remember one thing here, finger number will never get changed. That means finger number will remain unchanged, but the angle starts 0 from here, but angle will start 0 for cos will start 0 from here. Then this one is 30, 45, 60 and 90. So now you will be understanding 0 for cos, this one is 0, second one 30, middle finger 45, index finger 60 and thumb is 90. But for sine, thumb is 0, then 30, then middle finger 45, then 60, then small finger is 90. So taking all these, we will calculate our fingertips magic formula, and you will get a concrete clear picture, clear concept also, and you will remember, you will calculate all the angles by calculating the numbers, by getting the angles of this sine and cos first. Let us start from sine. Start from here, sine theta, sine 0 degree, sine 0 degree. My formula says, means as our formula means as our fingertips formula says sine 0 degree, that is finger number, only you have to remember this only, finger number by 4 whole root over. So sine 0, finger number is what? 0 here. Finger number 0 by 4 root over will give you 0. Then come to sine 30 degree. No need to write the formula. Direct come to the finger number. Finger number is 1 by 4 root over, that will give you 1 by 2. Now comes come to sine 45 degree. Sine 45, finger number is here 2. 2 by 4 root over, that will 1 by 2 root over, will give you 1 by root 2. Then comes sine 60 degree. Sine 60, finger number 3, because we are calculating 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Sine 60, finger number 3 by 4 root over. So root 3, square root of 4 is 2, root 3 by 2. Sine 90 equals to finger number 4 by 4 root over, that is 1 root over equals to 1. So it's very easy to calculate if you follow this fingers tips for method and numbering the fingertips like this way. For sine 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for cos the finger number will never get changed, but the angle will change. That angle will start from here 0, from small finger that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now let us calculate cos. Value of cos 0 to 90. Cos 0 degree, immediately you come to this side. Cos 0 is finger number 4 by 4 root over, that is 1 root over, will give you 1. Cos 30, finger number 3, cos 30 is here, finger number is 3, 3 by 4 root over, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, finger number 2, cos 45 degree, finger number 2 by 4 root over, 1 by 2 root over, 1 by root 2. Then comes cos 60, cos 60, finger number 1, 1 by 4 root over, that will give you 1 by 2. Then comes cos 90, finger number 0 by 4 root over, will give you 0. So now you calculated cos, sine and cos by using your fingertips. You take your left hand finger, number it from your right hand side 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for cos the finger number will remain same, but for here sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, but for cos 0 starts from here, cos 0, cos 30, 45, 60 and 90. So similarly, once you get sine and cos, it is very easy to get other angles, like we have cot, tan, sec and cosec. Let us start some angles. I'll just give you examples, then you will draw your own chart and you write down, you calculate other angles even. Let us start tan 0 degree. As you know, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. So tan 0 will be sin 0 degree by cos 0 degree. So sin 0 by cos 0. You have got already sin 0 degree. If you have not got, directly you are getting tan 0. You have to calculate immediate sin 0. Value of sin 0 you know, 0 by 4 root over is 0. 0 by cos 0 is here, finger number 4, 4 by 4 root over is 1, 0 by 1, that will give you 0. Tan 30 degree, that is sin 30 degree by cos 30 degree equals to sin 30. As you know, sin 30 already we have calculated, already we have got by using the finger formula 1 by 2. This one you can put a divide sign here to make it easier, 1 by 2, and cos 30, as you know we have got root 3 by 2, because cos 30 is here, finger number 3 by 4 root over root 3 by 2, divided by root 3 by 2, it will get reversed, 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3, 2 get cut, you will get 1 by root 3. Then comes tan 45 degree, sin 45 by cos 45. So already we have got, already we have calculated sin 45 degree. So sin 45 degree we have got 1 by root 2. This sign is divided by, put it divided by sign here, and cos 45 already we have got even 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1, root 2 get cut, it will give you 1. Then comes tan 60. Tan 60 and tan 90. Tan 60 degree equals to sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree. As we have calculated, sin 60 degree equals to root 3 by 2, or you may calculate here sin 60 degree, this way you go, sin 60 degree, finger number 3, 3 by 4 root over, that is root 3 by 2, divided by cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree, as you got, as you have means calculated 1 by 2. How? Cos 60, finger number 1, cos 60 here, finger number 1 by 4 root over, that is 1 by 2. It will give you root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, 2 get cut, equals to root 3. Then comes tan 90, that is sin 90 by cos 90. So sin 90, suppose you could not remember sin 90, here also you can get sin 90, finger number 4 by 4, that is 1, root over of 1 is 1, divided by cos 90. Cos 90 also you have calculated here, cos 90 is 0. So 0 by 4 root over, 0 by 4 root over is equals to 0. So here tan 90 you got 1 by 0, where it is 1 by 0, it is not defined, ND we write in short form. Not defined means 1 divided by 0, you put as many as 0, 0, 1 jar 0, 0, 1 jar 0, 0, it will be carried on like this. So it is, that's why we write not defined, or in short form we write n dot d. Similarly, come to cot, the value of cot 0, sin 0, 0 degree by cos 0 degree, sorry, is cos 0, cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta, cos 0 degree by sin 0 degree. So here cos 0 already you have calculated, that before also you have calculated, but if in case you could not memorize or you could not recall, you can immediately calculate cos 0, finger number 4 by 4, that is 1, root over of 1, that will give you 1. Cos 0 is 1, and sin 0, here sin 0, 0 by 4 root over, that also will give you 0. So cot 0, that is 1 by 0, as it is 1 by 0, it is not defined in dot d. Now comes cot 30 equals to cos 30 degree by sin 30 degree. We have already calculated cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2. This sign you may put divided by, as you are getting a fraction, you may put this sign, so easily you can calculate and get the answer. Sin 30, already we have calculated sin 30, that is already 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, reverse 2 by 1, 2 got cot, cos 2 root 3. Then comes cot 60 degree, little more space in the cot 60 degree. Cos 60 by sin 60 degree. So cos 60 degree already you have calculated, or you may go for any means problem, you may go to the finger. Cos 60 is here, finger number 1, 1 by 4 root over 1 by 2. So you will get 1 by 2 here, divided by sin 60. Sin 60 is here, 3 by 4 root over root 3 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So cot 60 you got 1 by root 3. Now comes to cot 90 degree, that is cos 90 by sin 90 equals to cos 90 we have already calculated, and even if you have doubt, you can go for this formula. Cos 90 starts from here, sorry, cos 90 come here, finger number 0 by 4 root over, that is 0. And sin 90 same also, finger number sin 90 0 by 4 root over, that is also 0, it will give you 0. So cot 90 degree, that will give you 0. This way you calculated tan and cot. It's very easy to calculate other trigonometrical angles. Like we have already 3 we have calculated. Then cosec, sec, already 4 we have calculated. We calculated sine, cos, tan, cot. Only cosec and sec 2 are left. These are very easy. I am giving 2 or 3 examples. Please go through. Cosec is nothing but 1 by sine. Cosec theta equals to 1 by sine theta. If you will calculate cosec 0 degree, it is nothing but 1 by sine 0 degree. And since we know 1 by sine 0 value already we have calculated from this finger, 0 by 4 root over, that is 0, 1 by 0. So that is 1 by 0, that is not 1 defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. ND, very easy, very simple to write. And even come to cosec. Randomly you choose any angle. So suppose cosec 60 degree, it is 1 by sine 60, that is 1 divided by sine 60, 0, 30, 45, 60, 3 by 4 root over root 3 by 2, 1 into 2 by root 3, it will give you 2 by root 3. So cosec 60 degree we got 1 by 2 by root 3. So this way you calculate. For this cosec I calculated 2, for the sec also I will calculate 1 or 2, then you will get a clear picture about this fingertips method, fingertips formula, so that you will never go wrong at all. Even you are in the exam hall, even you are doing a sum and you could not recall exact value, but this fingertips method will never go you wrong or give you any wrong answer at all. So now let us start. Sec as you know, sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. So sec 0 degree equals to 1 by cos 0. So 1 by cos 0, here cos 0 starts from your 4, finger number 4 by 4, finger number by 4, finger number is 4, 4 by 4 root over 1, 1 by 1 will give you 1. Randomly you take sec 45 degree, that is 1 by cos 45, 1 by cos 45 as you have got earlier, or you may calculate from this finger formula, that is cos 45 finger number 2 by 4 root over, that is 1 by root 2, 1 divided by 1 by root 2 will give you 1 into root 2 by 1, that is root 2. So this way you will calculate all the angles and you will get 100% correct, nothing will go wrong, but very simple, very easy to remember. Sine starts from your thumb, only use your left hand fingers. This is sine 0, sine 30, 45, 60 and 90, finger number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For cos, this is only this angle is 0 degree, this is 30, 45, 60 and 90, but for cos this is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. This is very easy to remember, very easy to calculate. So wish you all have enjoyed my class, and if you have enjoyed and you have learned something better, so please don't forget to subscribe my class and don't forget to like and share for your friends and family. Thank you all. Wish you all the best.